guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Na sisi ana she be na sisi ana ogwekwe God punish you. If you enter my page, if you enter my page, it go be the last thing you will do in your life. Idiot. Now your papa be olodo. That your mama when it dey be care for ekpoma. Now be olodo. That I don't block him. I'll block you. It will be your wife. Maybe it will be. I care about you now. They block them, they go. My people, they block them. The Infinity Saga don't block. I should be not see your comment now. After they call me, they say make I leave. And why I go leave? Why I go leave? I don't block him. He cannot comment. If you still come back, I'll still block you. Allow his head. Okay, where we power? You still come up for here. No, now they go. God punish you now. Not be the carry people page. Not be carry Bizugbe page. Hey, your page Bizugbe. I come and say why he carry Bizugbe page. I come and say why he try to kidnap Edo Saga cyber space. Not be waiting at all. I been a you know yella, ne honey you know yella make you deaf. You know yella. Say I dey sell fake cream. Come and use and fake cream when you say me they use. When me they say if your wife have opportunity to use this fake cream, life go, body go better. I know they hide my hand when I do video. I'm not hiding my hand like leprosy. No, you see, if fake cream can be doing this, kudos to me and my cream. Look, bell, the Chris. If you put her for my page, God will put her for your eye. It's the say which page don't monetize. It concern you. At least I know they carry people. I know they like for people head. I know they throw people page down. Then they do what they do. Ugbo. I know they draw people go back. Edo person no go ever to say any Edo person whether they hear in name say I want. The only person when I hear say that they hear a name from my mouth. What you do now? I can't talk. I don't like forget. I mean, I carry people audio come out they play them. How they play people audio. Say make my fellow Edo. I want to remove this one. Let me look for a Infinity Saga. How I tell you for? No, tell me how I tell you for How I tell you for Infinity Saga first. Because I talk what he do me. Now I tell you for Because I talk what he do me. Say I dey do video to talk to Monica. Say make it prove what they talk to her. Say not good. Make it prove to people say na your husband get pikin. Say the way that they carry that pikin they go, you not good. Now I tell you for Infinity Saga trouble. Now they for enter my page. Just because I do video, tell Monica, say, Monica, everybody they call your pikin say, you don't get papa. Prove them. Give them what they want. May you remove this shame come up for your pikin head. It not good. Now the video when I do be this. Now Infinity Saga come my page. Come tell me say, he come as they comment for your mama head. So he say, make me be careful. Make me not let her enter my house. Make me not let her visit my house. Now when I say, what I can't talk. Because I said the truth. Didn't you watch that video? Abi, maybe never they follow me. I take fight for trouble. If I don't find trouble, call. They're not the find people. Shut up. Nonsense. Now, Monica, they analyze people video. She know they analyze people video. She now if she happen for social media, like she they carry olaga. She go carry olaga the talk of people problem. I also come out to analyze the video. Say, I mean, na me talk and say another man na he born for. Since now talk I come and say, everywhere they sleep with her. Now let me want talk, huh? Now I mean, na me first they tell Monica say we go do DNA. Now me first talk, huh? Because I listen now, if I do content creator finish, I create my content finish, I will advise people. I go analyze the issue. Now let me want talk. I do that video finish since the first day. You hear their name again from my mouth. Before it comes comment section, they insult him, mama. Una they say Ambrose not be Infinity Saga. But the Infinity Saga and Ambrose they work for. My adult people, why una be like this? Some of them when they do a mistake, why are they so fake? After I was saying now Obaseki spoil Edo State. Una was saying now Shomole spoiler. Una was saying now Bamudia spoiler. Now Brosali do this. Now Lucky Bine just spoiler. When you the masses cannot use your voice to say the truth. Eh? Nonsense. I talk him and even you. He do nothing. If you touch my page, God will touch your life. For what? Don't look like me. Somebody will go do video finish. 2 days later, you come out and beg. I beg nobody. I only tell them to stop their evil. When I did the shout for here, you know they video when you I do there first today. 3 days ago, they talk say now they bring women I touch you down. You blind. The video that Ibizu Bedu, they talk say they don't collect the page. They don't turn up to their own. You know watch them. Now let me come out to talk. Because I be sound like Kuna. No sense. May you touch my page. Why you should touch my page? What it pay you pass? I don't know what it pay you pass. Now you go to pay my page. If you touch my page, you will pay for that page with the most expensive thing in your life. It is what God go collect for your hand when you go take pay for the page. Try it. Try it. If you pay dinner at Bozebayo Waru, you're broken. Very useless set of people. Look at Yeye Kudi that day. Yeye Kudi. That Yeye when he did for Island. He still talking. Bad omen. Let them know them put. The ones where they go for those other space. So saga. Now so Yeye talk. You said there are no Edo people for that one now. They are only doing saga. That's what they know how to do. And the woman is very right. Now they know that be that. Who try to stop you from the wayward character? You go be bad one. Collect money, tell the job people go down. They go pay you. Sarah give you money, take beat his sister. Because our name go anything can serve. Hungry lion. You collected money from Sarah T boss. Take carry Vera's secret come out. Take beat Vera. Disgrace Vera. Later you foolishly go back to Vera. Come tell her make come follow you the fight. After Vera don't disgrace her. People online videos they say what Vera do no good. Why not good? What of person when he try collect money from Vera's sister? Forget say Vera now Sarah's sister. As they don't settle down, come. You so much like money that you can collect money from blood sister. They take and they beat the other blood sister. You are forgetting that they are the same father, the same mother. After I will say that they mention your name, who can do such havoc on this social media? Your junior sister will come. A junior sister will come give you his senior sister matter. You collect money from a junior sister to disgrace his senior sister. After, you still go meet the senior sister, make come follow you beat people. Educated people. Nonsense. Why be paid when you not go one who wa hen bokan. Why do you bokan? Ezizai wala ha. Why don't try? If you can't touch her, I no go do you anything. Then God go torture you. God Almighty will torture you. He go lashes you. Now my body, you will see that you will not say that they see God. Can't touch her. I don't go can page me. You may have bozaba you are. Where did that thing come? The queen is 16, only 13 they see for here. No, that days are that not this thing. Normally it's supposed to be 16, not 16. Not complete. Hey, everybody don't quiet, they look now. They say Lolo no good, Lolo no good, Lolo no good. Lolo still get way for bed. I'm not trying to say Lolo is the best. Lolo still get where it's there. Lolo make us know say na she make her they do. Now she initiate her they do all those things. Now because they dey together, she start saying a Lolo make her they do one. She said those right now. Lolo say they come they Lolo get the way they do it thing. Their character is so different. Now the truth can be told now. No, why Obama Yegu Wagwan? I only say make una ask am whether not the really they do one because since Saga do one to me. Which one be na no be Ambrose dey be Infinity Saga. Na Ambrose fan be Infinity Saga. Ever try. Even though they say they judge this case for court, how they will take judge them? Na in fan, no be they do one. Wa ati ebo mi esi egbe. Aso awo go come here ni awe. Edo we no do de gbe omo no do ono go edo. Nonsense. They don't get conscience. Now they feel for people. Why go feel me, man? Not tell after why go no man of God. Oh, I see a page bottle. Na see you what bottle. Na see you what le loto. Don't feel the arrangement of the clear sense. I go eat it, I never even eat anything. What is this one they talk? If you don't comment good thing here, I will block you comment. No. Say you get my no way picture. If you get my no way picture, bring a comment. Okay. Let me picture. See, you get my no way picture, bring a comment. You know, say you get one bekus way they work out for social media. They say that our sister get them. Now only God know whether they get them. I don't know. Maybe it's possible to not be the poor girl get them. Maybe now you get them, maybe not be get them. I don't know. So you can also go and do it like that. Carry my picture, carry any bekus journal. Okay. I better see the ring. May I find out the ring first, eh? So, okay. Seki. Il y a quelqu'un qui est... C'est qui rentre? Le livre. Give me Coca-Cola, beg. I'm tasting. Tiens. So, you feel carry any picture, carry any picture. Okay. You don't know me, oh. I'm capable of everything. Many things, okay? Give me Coca-Cola, please. Okay, I'm capable. Whatever. Go carry a woman when you don't wear pants. Say na my nyash. You know, concern me. Na your problem. It is none of my business. You say you get my low way picture. That is good. I was in low way. C'est fait mal où? Viens, maman. Viens, ma chérie. Ouh là là. Sorry. Sorry, ma people, they come. Keep là. Allez. C'est où? La la, my mom. Pardon. Daddy. Daddy. Moi, chacun un verre de coca. Il va bientôt finir. So you dey hear me? You when you dey make big kind, you say if you get my picture, bring and come out. Who care? You know maybe when we're the other day when this woman want to talk, he say me when you go dey talk for live video, I will dey talk small. If you say you see say I dey talk small for live video, you want to I'll dey block you. I get my admin here. May I check whether I still get credit battery. I get battery 30%. I use until they block you. He say me when you go dey talk for live video, they talk small. No problem. I'll dey block you. You insult me, I'll block you out of my. I be make Kikuma even leave you. Your comments go still count. So while I not did that one, now you know, carry picture come out. Okay. What I know is that I'm living a good life. Now truth now I can tell you. Now you know. So my mama for Italy, when he called just now, you'll try to, I'll call you back, dear. So when you enjoy your life, not let all these people call they distract you. Life that I live on a daily basis, you not feel liver. You when it called just now, and you when they leave comments. See some things when I show you some cream when you say I don't fair use. They rub this my body, my pockish body. All this cream, let me use them. This one, I don't tell you that day. Let me use them. I used these creams many years back. Maybe I tell you, go buy them. €71 for a cup. 71 euro. 71 for 200 ml. Let me use them. You can't tell me say people say me they don't buy cream. Many of my audience don't buy them. 71 euro. Now me use and rub. Now me the runner. Now me the runner. It get plenty when I don't use before the day be true. I will bring them for you. Who is Zwa? I be Oyibo girlfriend. Oyibo girlfriend. Now I be. Not be Oyibo wife. Oyibo girlfriend. Echo some top. Nice to be this. Well, let me quickly. How do you see me? Nice to be this. I think I get about 2 more or so for my bathroom, I think. Let me this. Just that I leave some cream there, I will leave on inside bedroom. I will like no need of me carrying and come here. Since no space for me to showcase and wear. Oh, I bear. Oh yeah, when I tell the miss cream, 61 euro. Go buy. Go price them. You know what I mean? I don't buy inside. Not only one, not only two. Who is one? I'm very okay. I'm not the presenter. When they come out with only one thing, once in 2 years, I want to see your daily life. When they see food, when they eat on a daily basis. Cream when I take the rope. The way I do my things. You see? When I would sell clothes when I first, you not see clothes when I first sell last year. Now so some fair they make big kind. Say make una not buy. People they want to buy them. You know, see, I first Tommy High Figure, Kevin Klein. I said them for here. Common bra, Kevin Klein brazier. I said them here last year. Some will say make una not buy, but many people buy those things. When they will come see you say you use and dress, it will become problem for them. It will become problem. This one also na cream. I don't see. I also use this one. HT26. I don't feel sure. So any cream when I carry come out, no one when it be say I don't know. I not just come here say me I come dey make mouth, okay? So everybody, no jealous me put for the lifestyle when I dey live for Facebook. That's why many of una, some of una go say I dey feel big. Yeah, for you it might be say I dey feel big, which me I really don't give a damn, because wetin I know how to do, wetin I dey do, na it be this, na the show. I'm a family lifestyle vlogger, a content creator for that matter. Being a content creator, mainly when you are a family lifestyle vlog, your audience should know the life you live on a daily basis. Now, what not the show be this? That's why if I buy something for my children, I will show you. If this a scarf, some of my audience come to tell me say they like them. I can't buy them last year. Some day will be say now 65 euro, but I can't buy them with sales. Me and my audience will still rub mind together. They come buy from my hand. Some day will be say this one I buy them for. One of my mama, 3 people na be other put. Okay, one come, 2 come collect. The other one, the mama not collect them. It dey inside my this thing. All these things, majority of things when they see me with, I said them last year. Many bra, Kevin Klein bra, and many other brands like that. When it be brazier, if I buy, I go tell my fellow women say, this thing I don't buy them more. Some I go sell, some I not go even sell. I go tell you how much I take buy them. I go give you for the price. Some of my audience day, when I go buy something, go give, even though na cream, the ticket, when I take buy them for store, I go put them inside, post and go give them. Sometimes now see me say I go post office, I want to go post something. Majority of the things I go sell some I know they sell. If you tell me say may I help you buy something, if I buy them, the ticket when they give me, I'll put them for inside. I'll send and come give you. You know how many people? You know how many people I send something to go give like that? I'll send them. The ticket, when they give me, I'll put the ticket inside. I'll send and go give them. That's what. I come to live video to touch people's life. Money not be everything. If I help you today, you can help me tomorrow. I tell you that they say, I supposed to start work last week. You know who helped me find that job? My follower. My follower. They say, you dey live video, mind what you they do. They talk your truth. Follower, person when they follow me, my follower, and I be help me find job. But I know for due to say we day holiday, I know if you do one. I know if you do one. Then it not correspond with the time of person who go help me to carry children. It not correspond with the time of the person. I know if you do one. For what? So if I believe say people when be say I go help, they will say many people that they in another country. Cream when they use now France here. They will tell me, even when I they work for that store that day, the store when I they work that day, they will call me, I'll put them for video call. The prices, I'll tell them. The price won't tell they sell for store. Now that the money they will send come. I know will get my own inside. I just want them to patronize us, and I just want to help them. They will send the money on. I will do video call. I will show them all the prices. They will choose cream what they want. So I will collect them. I will go send them to them without me selling it. I run errands for people on Facebook. Who's war? Person when they bring something come on, they spoil them. The one will not let you now use math spoil. Now go in page, you go spoil them. Another person still they cry for the platform yesterday. Say video when she do the mutant, so that make the video not go viral, so that make people not hear what she talk for that video. What when I hear? Nonsense. So many people want to. If you need something like this, but I don't know when it will come. one of my mama, when I do video, the day when I do video, they cook, is screenshot one of my video. When I tell you use something like this scarf very white. Pardon. If this is the crack, when I let me know, my people, I beg. Pardon. Okay. If they crack now, let me know. The woman come ask me about something like this. I don't know where I use this scarf. If they crack now, let me know. Okay, not the crack. The woman come ask me. If you need it, do not hesitate. Okay. Something like this. When they cover body, you can use it to cover yourself. Maybe you be that person, you want to order your cream, but maybe you like maybe you want to order something from me. I can put it inside for you. Okay, it's very good. This one, which brand to be? This one safe. This one are 4 of us. Now 3 of us get them. It's supposed to be 4 of us, but the other mama not can collect them. It's a very nice something. It looks so elegant. If you watch my videos for winter, now I take the cover body for winter. But they do video for winter, I use and take the cover body. Okay. Now winter now with this one, I can use handless to do video, but I will just use and take cover my body. I get plenty of them like this. This one I can't get them too because the mama not gonna collect her own. So I dey come and show you the other ones. I get them plenty. You get many things. Even goldish brazier. This bra, Kevin Klein, Manukan, plenty like that. Okay. So you also need this. Do not hesitate. I dey come. Pardon. Okay, pardon. Sorry, my people. So, like I said before, now the other one be this one. Now the other one, now the mama be get this one. Okay, this one I don't even use them once. Also, okay, you don't come collect them. Like something like this. Now they follow me for winter. I know say I use this one well for winter. This one are 2 face. Okay, now 2 face. So now winter you go see and well, but summer now this kind of one I'm supposed to see for summer, but I never order. I will try that. One of my mama now remind me that was yesterday. This one are 2 face. And suede. Either like this or like this. This one now, if I want to use and cover my body, I dey like things like this well. If you use them, depends on the color when you get. I dey use them. This one are 2. I get this one 2. So one of my mama can still buy. You see, this one are for winter. If you use them, cover body like this. Do what? So now it be this one. Maybe now you want to use jacket. You open your jacket. You can put it like this. Then you wear jacket on it for winter because this one are wool. Now suede. Well, I'm tasting it. Give me cold water. So this one is for this. So these are for my personal uses because I sell the rest last year. Then something like this also. You see, so I like things like this well. This one also I sell one of these. This one also I sell this one to one of my mama. This one is one of the biggest. Okay, as I just buy am, you see am, you can't collect am. The one when green, the green one, she can't collect that one. So I carry the two. She can't buy the green, and that green happen to be the last one. You see how this one big, okay? So if you wear something with no even get hand at all, this thing they make you look elegant. If you see some of the video when I do that last 2 years, that 2 years ago when I just enter live video, these are the things when I tell you. When they go party, if you go party, you get some way be say there you can use elegantly to go party. You can use it. Something like this. Now this one are needed. You can use this one between spring, even for summer. Let's say you go somewhere important for this summer now. Something like this, you can use it to cover your body. You don't want your body to be that exposed, okay? So something like this. This one now last year collection. So this year, I don't know what they have for this year. I never said. One of my mama when he screenshot am come give me yesterday. Now that mama might don't remind me, okay? So if you be that person, just want to let you to know things when you say I dey sell. If you also that person, you need coste bra. Bra won't be say now this thing na treatment. Some bra that is why sometimes I dey do video. When they be say my breast, I'm not gonna use brazier. Maybe if I do video this evening, on my next video, I will wear some clothes. I'm not gonna wear bra. Bra that you can be using for your breast. You go be say your breast not go fall. I don't feel talking. Okay, so those are the things. Things like this one also. This one, somebody also buy this one. See, maybe this. This one also not two-face. These are things that will help your dressing as a woman. Okay, it will help your dressing to look nice. See, you want now to dress. So if they follow me like all this, like last year or so, you will see say I dey use and well. If you need it, do not hesitate. Contact me. Contact me. Maybe you buy one or two things. I'll just buy one. I'll put them inside for you. This one now blue. This one can go with maybe you dress with red. Now see me this. When I use this one, you get one video when I use this one do last year. It come now one of my lady he can't order put. She can't buy brown one. So this one, you see this one also very, very large. You can see. So it be like wrapper, very big. So things like this, I decide them. But this one is my personal use. See, so use and take anyhow you want. You want to carry them. Maybe you carry purse. Carry purse. Use and carry your purse like this. Okay. So that one day, come and order your own. The plating. This one a red one. And still the same thing. The red one still be this one. To fold them back today will be wild. This one a red one. Things like this, I like and well to dress. Okay, you get the one will be saying for to tie hair. This one you can also use it. Maybe this one I take tie hair now. If I want to use it like this, I go iron them. The only thing you need to do it is ironing it. You understand? You're the ironer. You go iron so that when you use and cover body, you go look nice on you. You go look that's elegant. You go there, okay? So anyone when you the one when I showed just now, if they follow me for this winter period, you see say I use and well for winter. This one, I be the one I first follow when I first use just now. I use and well for winter. Maybe this one. But this one now, I doubt whether you will see on this period. Maybe now winter period, now they will take see. This one is a bit smaller than the other one. This one has still two fades. Okay, you see, this one like this. If you carry this one like this, okay, if you carry it like this, or if you want, order for it, or you carry like this. That my mama, when the screenshot and give me yesterday, I'll go look for her own. I tell them, say I'll go look for them. So, or you can wear them like this. Now this one, me tell they go, but that time when they walk, you see, say now I tell they go walk away. Or they do them like this. They go cold where. Okay, so now it be this. And as I just finish, so see, say I iron now, I can't fold them. I'll keep until next year. So I know this thing, so also you they use them, they need care well. If you don't do them with care, you can't be like, you can't look zubu for eye, you not go fine. So all of them they fold them. I will iron now if I keep them. So this one, maybe you wear suit for summer, for winter, if you use them. Or you can use it for gown as well. Okay, the most important thing is say, iron it well and fold it whenever you want to use it. Something like this. Okay, you know they heavy. You see, majority of scarf like this one they buy. Now scarf will be say you go with many colors. You can see this one, you go with this one. Even this one, you go with the shirt. Even the red, you go with the shirt. Okay, so maybe that one. They're plenty. Anyone, the one, all this one's not all. This one also, you also did. I use this one since I use them, I never maintain and put. This one also now, another one. This one are yellow. The one be like the one of just now. Okay. This one also yellow. And the one when you need, anyone when you need. Chicken now. Bon. And I have here short ones like this. The one when I use just now, the blue. Now the red with this one. One of my mama, now we gotta share this one. Okay. This one big also. It big just like that red one. See this one? C'est comme ça. Even bra, those clothes are the same sometimes. But this year I never. You see this one are the red one. Okay. So many they plenty. This one are the short ones. Short one with this one. Then on the short one. So anyone will know so you just need this size. You can call me sans problème, sans souci. Okay? Call me without wahala. Without wahala. Without any problem. Okay? Maybe you want to use this one like this. You are very free to use it. You are very free to go. This one also did. I also said this one last year where people buy this one where all those our mama when they work for office. Those one when they work for office. C'est bon pour vous. This one also. This one are to tie hair. And this one they tie hair. Now they see them for my videos. So now anyone who you don't know say you need, do not waste time. That one will just not like this. This one is still another one. This one this thing, another one. No see Lulu castanet. This one now person be order for it, you not come collect them. Person when you be get this one, now you still get this one. Now you get this one, you not come collect them. So you see na big branch. Now this one Lulu castanet, maybe this one. All of us know this one. Lulu castanet. Since last year, the person not come take her. I was like, okay, now call it. So you see this one now, you see the price of this one. But now sales, I sales it. You see this one, you see the price. So now person order from the two. If I take now be her, then na 3 that time say. The person order put not come take even this one. Now they see me and they use this one. So scarf I like and well. They bring out the beauty of your dressing. This one now for winter. This one things like this. This one for winter. This one only one face. Let me show this one. Okay. Now color when be say go with everybody. If I want buy clothes, that's why they buy. Majority of color when you can see say majority of the color when they bring come out today, all of them match with this one, match with this green. Voila. So this one, something like this. So now how to make it? This one is since 2018 or 2019. I'll be using this thing. Either 2018. It's still there. The second of it, my pikin to wear for inside bus. He pay me. I use a wrap her neck. But I don't know the time we take for bus. I not saying this winter. Now the other one lost. So the second one we follow that one maybe this. Now still for winter. You want something like this? Do not hesitate. But now winter you see something like this, except the light one. At the salon. So that mama own now, if I bring her home this weekend, today Thursday, I bring on Saturday, I'll go out. If I bring her on Saturday, I'll let us know. So this one a big one also for winter. Maybe you go somewhere, you go party, church, maybe you dey inside church, you can open your jacket, use this one cover your body. Till when you will go out again. Or you dey drive. Our sister them when they drive, me na call that. You dey drive, they go. You can do like this. You're driving, they go. Instead of it to like zip this to reach here, they drive. Okay. Boy, no, c'est ça. I never eat afternoon food. I don't even know what I will chop. Because with a heat, if you eat too much like this, I don't repeat it. Thank you very, very much. I admire Rossy. If you are leaving a comment, you come across this video, try to leave a good comment. Okay? Do not leave insulting comments. I will see us later. If you did not see me, you know say I tire. We'll see tomorrow morning by God's grace. Bye-bye. Anything you need, call me.